Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last class, we have completed the model section of the e-commerce website. Now we have moved, we already created the controller. So here view part, what you're going to do is we have made the template for the view. Okay, so template look like this, the plain template we have made. So we have a dashboard. Here we have a category, products and card. Every section should be we have prepared for this layout. Okay, so simple layout we have made it. Okay, the simple layout. So let's do it how to configure this layout for view page. So what you're going to do is here we have to go to the section. So here the section, so first you have to add the category model. So you have to use your right app slash models. You have to write this one category. Some model, right? Some model you have to attach it. So then only okay. So here what's the problem? So sorry, you have to write like this. Right. Now what you're going to do is here we are going to go to category section. So here we have a category. Okay. Right. Now what you're going to do is here, what I'm going to do is, so I'm going to create the variables. This was variables. So I have to create category. So I've already done it this one. So here we have a category. So here we have the category. We have to create the variable protect that category. You have to write it category. Here you have to create the constructor. You have the simple constructor you have to create it. Okay. So how to create the constructor? You have to write implement this function. Okay, I'm not writing this. Okay, if I return and expand, it take too much of time to complete it. Okay, so here you can see here public function construct this category new category. Category means this is the path we have given. This constructor, this function, what you're going to do is we have to this model, we have to create the object of this one category. Okay, right? Now what you're going to do is the index page, what you're going to do is I'm going to go to put this one, right? Right. Now what I'm going to do is you have to write it here response categories, which is a table name, which is a categories. This categories, what is the category of you loaded, all the category details should be loaded. Okay, so we have to create the category pages via inside the pages folder category. Okay, category. So okay, what you're going to do is here we have to go to our view section. This is the control section. We retrieve the record from the model and passing to the index function. It's loaded the index. So here how to going to do is go to the view part. So view part, here we have to create the new folder. This called as pages. Pages, what you're going to do, what the pages I'm going to create here is first pages I'm going to get. This one should be the category page. Inside the category page, I'm going to create the another one which is a index.play.php, which is a page. I'm going to create the page, right? After that view page, I'm going to create another thing which is a layout file. So layout.blade.php. We have a this is nothing but a template folder. This template folder, first I'm going to implement the HTML. So all the shift key are down and press 1 on your keyboard and press tab key on your keyboard. The HTML tag should be automatically imported. Inside the body tag, what you're going to do is first step, what you're going to do is you have to go to my design. So design means this template design. So what are this one? This template design. This design. Okay, we have copied. Okay, so copied means here I already copied. So here this one. Here the layout. Okay, this is the same design. Okay, this is a design. Okay, simple design here. Here this is your simple style. Okay, this is simple style. I just copy this style div tag. Okay, this div tag we have to copy it and paste it over here, this body tag. Okay, so okay, this is the nav section is sidebar section, style, dashboard, user setting, and these all the things are there. Okay, this is the yield content. This is the content part. Content part, the middle of the content would be changed. If you click user, it will page will be displayed as a user page. If you select as a category, it select as a category page. What the link user has clicked, the according to the page has been loaded. So that's the things we have to do it over here, right? So now we have to implement the CSS style. So how to implement the CSS style? You have to write it over here. This style, this one away. Just copy this, paste it over here, right? Paste it over here. This is a simple layout. Okay, simple layout. Okay, so this is a CSS style. We have copied. Okay, style started and close it here. So here you can see the body HTML. You have set the margins. The container one, we can display the flags. Flags mean we are using the, in order to make this template, we are using the flags box. Flag box CSS we are using, because here this is more responsive. Here it's more responsive. It's a mobile. Here it's responsive. You can see the responsive. Okay, this is mobile responsive. Here it's a mobile responsive. We have taken the mobile responsive space. Okay, so each and every device it will be changed as a uh, mobile responsive. So this is a flex box. We have created the flex box. Height 100 pixels. This sidebar section. We have a flex. We have set it like this. Background color. This one sidebar. Unordered list. We have set the unordered list. List padding. Okay, this is the, we are setting the list. Okay, right? So the sidebar hoover, we are setting the hoover also as well. Hoover mean when you move to the cursor here, the color would be here highlighted. Here what are the things we have highlighted. So these are the everything we have covered about this one. The sidebar section we have covered about everything. Okay, right? This is everything we have to cover about this one, right? So that's the content, this content. Okay, so we have, we don't need this one. We have put like this. Okay, the content flex one padding, setting here the padding. The okay, this is the hover. This is the content. Content will be the heel content. There would be the content would be changed for every page. That's everything we have to implement it over here, the layout section. Okay, this is simple layout section. We have tried it. So now I want to do another thing is we have to implement the Bootstrap as well. So go to the Bootstrap respective website. Go to the Bootstrap respective website. Go to here. You have to copy this CDN. Copy this file CDN. This file. You have to paste inside the layout.play.php. You have to paste it inside the attack. You have to paste this one. Right? Paste inside the attack. So now you have a understand what I did so far. Okay. So what I did today. First you have go to the controller section. We have to create the variable. So we have to create the constructor with the model. We have create the object of category. When the index page is loaded, we made a model through, we load the data from the database, all the category data, it passing to the relevant pages. Where's the pages resided? Pages folder, category, there's the index page, it will be loaded. Take the responses and load it over here. That's the thing where simply we have done this so far. Okay, we understand that, and then we have write the layout page. We have created a simple layout page over here. Right? Simple layout page. This is the CSS style. This is your design. Okay, the design we have created this one dashboard, category. You have to see the category section, product section, products, right? So everything we have a products, everything we will be created. Okay, let's save all. You can see, sorry, you can save all.